Hey Damien, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for requesting your free video on my post in the restoration Facebook group. So today I am going to be showing you a few tips that you guys can apply right away that's going to help you with your online presence and to get more organic leads. Now, it's important to note that 70% of all of your organic leads are going to come from your website. So it is really important that your website be fully optimized. Okay, so we are on your website, and your website looks nice. You got a separate page for each of your services, so that's great. It's exactly what you want. Okay, got a little bit of content. Okay, not sure of your service area. Um, so if you are servicing out of this community here, I would have separate service area pages. Anywhere, any community that you're going to service that has any type of keyword volume, I would have their own page because that way you can actually be found for the services in that area. Um, so Google does not rank based on appearance. It's all based on content. Content is key, and you need a lot of it. Your content needs to be built around your local buyer intent keywords, which are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services that you're performing in your community. Um, you need 150 words for every keyword that you want to rank for, and you're going to need more content than your competitors. So the rule of thumb is you're always going to need more than whatever your competitor is doing. So you definitely are going to need to work on your content so you can build it around those relevant buyer intent keywords for each of these services. The same is going to go for your service pages and service area pages. Make sure that all of these have their own original content and the content is built around your buyer intent keywords so that people can find you for those services. Google has robots that go and index all of your pages looking for content so they can pull those keywords, index them, and rank you for them. Now, one of your top competitors in Long Island is iFlooded Restorations. They have a decent looking website. They have the separate pages for their services and service areas. Um, okay. I am not seeing much content at all. So, you definitely already have them beat on content, but you're gonna you want to make sure you're able to beat all of your competitors in each service area. So definitely work on your content and go work on those keyword strategies. Um, I can't. I'm not even really seeing any major keywords on the homepage. So hopefully they've done better on their service areas and service pages. So yeah, the first part to outbidding your competitors is going to be your content and keywords, and that's going to be backed up by search engine optimization. So, looking at this page from Ahrefs, which helps to analyze how your website is performing. I'm seeing zeros and pretty much no data. So it may be that you guys have a brand new website. Let's see, what's this from? It's from June of last year, so maybe you don't. But it's not being indexed, and you don't have any SEO going to it. You have one keyword, it looks like, possibly, and you get an average of 29 people to your website. Home Pro registration. So it's your brand. Your brand is the only keyword you've been indexed for. Okay. So let's look at your competitor. Your competitor has a domain score, which is the website as a whole, of a 30, which is pretty good. And that's because of their backlinks and referring domains. This means they have pretty good quality backlinks and domains. You need to have more than your competitors, but not all backlinks and domains are created equal. You need to have highly authoritative ones that are directly related to your services and industry. So you definitely will need more, but also better quality. Now, Google only really gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. So I would go after more referring domains rather than getting a bunch of spam links, because getting the spam, Google considers it spam. It will actually dilute your scores and hurt your ranking. Referring domain is just any website that links to your website, whereas a backlink is a link provided by a website to your website that will drive traffic to your website. These guys have been indexed for over 2,000 keywords, and they're seeing over 770 people on average to their website. So you can tell you're missing out on a ton of potential traffic. If we look at their keywords, they have, no, let's see, that's branding, so we don't want that. Looks like a lot of their keywords are national, which is not real helpful. You want local keywords. The national ones will give you false numbers. But there is still some good volume on your local keywords. So there's quite a bit of traffic potential that you have the ability to capture by optimizing your website and backing it with your search engine optimization. Now, backlinks are really important, as I mentioned earlier. They're going to drive traffic to your website, and it's going to help your authority with Google. You need to make sure that you're linking these backlinks with your keywords so that you can rank for your keywords on each of your pages and be found for your services in each of your service areas. And the last thing is this Google Maps section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3, because 30% of people come straight to the maps and won't go anywhere else. So if you're not in this top 3 section, you're sending all those leads to your competitors. And there are a number of things that will get you into the top 3, but the most important are citations, which is going to be the name of a business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Yelp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Dex, Yellow Pages, etc. And so you're going to need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow each of these tips I provided you today, your website will be #1 across Google for all of your services and service areas with the relative keywords you're ranking for. I really hope you found this video to be helpful and that you'll be able to start applying these tips and capture those organic leads. If for whatever reason you do want help getting this done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.